Alright, a little mechanic video. This series of blowers is pretty popular. This right here was loose, so I needed to access the flywheel. And this is a STIHL BG 56C. So the flywheel is not tapped. This one wasn't from the factory. And here's the puller that I used. There's your part number. And here is the tap that I used. I don't know that it's going to focus. We'll try to get it to. Here we go. Okay, so I matched this tap to my puller. You may or may not be able to see those numbers. It's an American-made tap. But, and that may not be exactly right, but the whole reason behind this video, Uncle Terry and Aunt Anita gifted me Papa Jim's taps. And there's your size reference. But Papa Jim has come through for me, and these have turned into being very awesome to have. You know, I didn't have to drive anywhere to go get it. But anyway, I've gone through the carburetor on this trimmer, and we're getting this tightened up, and then on the fan side, I've got to tighten up the body of the trimmer on the fan side, and then we'll get her running.